privacy online. Visit brave.com. And there is a significant height advantage for Rind, as you can probably tell looking.
Oh, the power!
Goodness.
That front kick that he started off with was so nice already.
And the token holders 69% favoring Shazahim Rind. President Asim, you got to be pretty happy with those numbers for Mr. Rind.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. Honestly, there's so much hype on this guy. He became a national hero so fast, and right now, all of Pakistan is airing this fight because of him. I mean, he has a tough matchup in front of him, but definitely he's proving these guys right, you know?
Okay. Take your finger. No, he extended his fingers there. Watch your fingers. You put it right into the side. You good? Fight.
I've got to say, Rind actually looks an entire weight class bigger.
Yeah. Avea's got to be rethinking a lot of things right now. Feeling the snappiness of those kicks.
Yeah, he started with...
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Dude, that was half an inch.
Yeah, and a good bit of clinch work there on the back end as well.
Oh!
Look at that combination, hiding the kick behind the hands and doing so with a lot of speed and power. Oh, he's trying to take the Italian's head off here.
Stop.
Avea's teammates clearly got through to Rind on this one.
Fight. Avea tried to close the distance, but he has a hard time.
Oh,
Good
cross to the
combination there,
right.
going to spinning back kick. The Italian shakes it off, but we honestly know that usually means it landed. And guys, you know, what does it mean for Avea having to always punch up against such a taller opponent?
Work the throw, work the throw.
It's super annoying. You have to make sure that your coach is holding the focus much higher.
Nice
So he gets used to it.
Nice Uchimata with the belt grip there.
Keyboard attempt.
What Avea needs to do is try to slip under the punches and catch him, catch his opponent on the way in.
Well, that kick was a little bit ill-timed.
Can't kick one grab. No.
He says he timed it correctly. We're going to look at the replay between rounds and see what we thought. But, well, here we go. It was, very clearly knees down on the mat. That was an illegal strike. Perhaps a little bit lucky to get away with it there. Pinning and punching this ground and pound.
Wow.
Good, you want to continue? Fight.
What is Avea's strategy here, guys? I mean,
He needs to
Rind
be
is
close.
just really powerhouse in this fight.
He can't stay in mid-range because he doesn't have the reach to do that. He needs to be all the way out or inside the pocket.
Yeah, he's in that awkward mid-range now where he's eating those kicks.
Yeah, and even in the clinch, the
Spinning back fist.
Man, that one liver kick he gave him, dude. He really can take a kick.
He's tough as hell.
Yeah.
We head back up to the corners there, and we're going to get some replays in from that first round.
A lot of belly breathing there by Rind. Looks like he does the other trainer. Hey, that's so weird. He does.
Yeah, available from Masroor.
You saw that right off the bat, tried to go for that liver kick right off the bat.
Oh,
Sometimes
so
even if it doesn't knock your opponent out, it kills his endurance.
Let's take a listen to this last punch here, the impact sound. Like a gunshot.
Yes. Man, he could go 6 rounds.
Sounded like it hurt.
Well, Avea, he's smiling coming out, trying to show that he's still in this one.
So you were asking me earlier what Avea should do. It's
It doesn't matter now, GSP. It does not matter. A massive kick.
What a knockout from Shazahim.
Wow.
He has absolutely flatlined Federico Avea.
Man. Front leg, left high kick, Chaplow.
Wow. Medical attention coming in very quickly for the Italian.
Yeah, this fight was all zinc from the beginning to the end.
Yep.
How you doing, brother? You okay?
But here we go.
And it was inches between being to the chest and to the face.
Yeah.
Oh, right up to the neck.
In the neck with the shin, lower part of the shin.
Perfect strike.
Look at this.
Absolutely paralyzed.
Oh. Oh, man.
Yeah, nice execution by Riggs.
Yeah, the timing to get a head kick on the way in at that distance.
And the way he's still, because he has a little wider stance, so he has a lot of power on his left kick because his hip is backwards. He can actually throw his hip in together with his upper body. That's why he can generate so much force. Very beautiful.
Well, he just became my favorite fighter. That guy is a sharpshooter.
Yeah.
First of what will probably be many knockouts tonight.
Yeah, so Said and him right now, right? They were very dominant.
Very dominant performance. Let me tell you, this lightweight division, I think, needs to be very, very worried about Shazahid Rind. He was starting to climb the rankings already after just a couple of performances. I think he's well and truly going to be in the discussion for a title shot now.
Oh yeah. With that performance, he deserved it.
Some very happy Italians tonight out there from Avea's camp.
You know, it's one thing to... Well, Azeem, give us your thought on that bout and that knockout.
If you can hear me, put me on. Hey guys, awesome stuff right now. I mean, look, it was hard for me to watch because I stepped down as a coach. I love the respect that he's showing to a true martial artist. He had the switch flipped on, knocked out, flip switched off, respect. That's a true martial artist. I love it.
Well, love it indeed. We all certainly loved it here, and the crowd did in this arena as well. Some respect shared between these two fighters, but we are going to get the official announcement of our winner here.
Can't wait to hear him together with Batch.
Right. Yeah, quite a talker is Shazahid Rind, as you're all about to find out.
Come on, bro. Let's go raise your hand. Stand over here.
The winner by KO from the red corner,